opportunities or threats, so that we can work according to it on the those respectively. So exams, according to me, should be conducted because for enhancing of our skills and developing ourselves, we need to first know what we lack or what are our strengths.
I don't agree. I don't agree with you both. I don't agree with you both because when we look for the competitive exams, it's a single day that defines all of our all the hard work we did for a year or more than a year. It only single day versus single sheet of paper decides the future.
Yes, that is true because you need to have the stress taking capabilities and the determination. There are going to be real life examples where you are going to have only one day and only that one day is going to count. So I don't think so there is any problem in having exams.
I have a different opinion. Like nowadays, exams are more based. They are more relying on memory based and knowledge based, but they are actually discarding other aspects of personality. Like there are numerous examples of people who have not done well in their academics. They have even not graduated, but in later part of their life, they were the epitome. They were the paragon of that particular department. Like I'm going to give an example of Nikola Tesla. Unfortunately, he was not able to complete his engineering in electrical engineering. But nowadays, we know that he's the father of electrical engineering. Like anywhere you see like induction motors, even the Tesla car. The genius behind all these inventions was of Nikola Tesla. He was the best inventor in the 20th century.
I totally agree with you. So we know that exams have long been a traditional method for evaluating students' knowledge and understanding, but they've also been criticized for fostering stress and limiting the creativity. I totally agree with you what you said. They fosters not only stress and anxiety, but they also had limited assessment. They test memory. They fail to assess the creativity properly and. Creativity and emotional intelligence, which is
But
very
this
important.
according to me is clearly dependent on the path you choose.
Because I feel they are going to be very objective. But if you think about it, there is no other measure because everything you're saying is very subjective. Creativity can't be measured. You can't measure emotional intelligence. And if I feel if you are going to talk about structured academia, you are going to need exams because we are talking not about geniuses. We're not talking about inventors. Nobody needs school per se. But if we are going to talk about structured academia, a student graduating from school and then going to college and then going to work in a company, an average student is going to need exams because companies and the corporates they won't be able to judge how a candidate is going to fare.
But
Because according to me, totally depends on the career path you choose. If you want to become a writer, the only thing that will be measured is your creativity. They'll not ask you questions related to your memory base, but on your creativity.
But you can't measure creativity. That's my point.
I totally agree with you.
One thing I want to.
Because don't you think exam inculcates a one size fits all approach that doesn't cater to the diverse needs, diverse styles and abilities of the careers that are emerging these days.
I totally agree with that.
One point I would like to add, like exams are totally memory based. So like we have phones, they are also basically what memories are. Phones are memories. So that means there are some tools, AI tools, which are giving better results than human beings. So what do you want to say about them?
I think there should be a more balanced approach where certain reforms should be introduced to make exams more less stressful and more comprehensible.
Yeah, I just want to add to this point that see, I want to give an example of quota. That there are numerous students studying there, and out of stress and anxiety, they commit various I don't know talk. So, but like what exams are basically doing, they are the purpose of exam was to filter out good student, good memorable student, but what they are doing is they are leading students to commit very disgusting things.
But according to me,
but
it is
purpose of exam has been
But
shifted.
students should also learn how to manage stress for their exams, and they should also be prepared for it. If
You can develop strength of character.
But according to me, it is only the first level of screening. After that, that is considered is your skill. As we all are appearing for CAT, the first level of screening is definitely the exam. But after that, your skills are tested. your GDPI, the way of talking, your leadership qualities and all that. So for rigorous screening, if 2.93 lakh of students are appearing for something, so the screening should be required. They cannot take a GDPI round of or a skill testing round for everybody. So for that screening, I think
It's
exams
not
are
just about the that exam. What about schools when the children are being forced to study and the parents compare them to other children and they create a mental pressure on themselves. There is a sense of competition amongst children. They need to compete and it creates so much mental pressure that people are committing suicide because of
But
it.
that can be.
But that depends on pace. Somebody is good at memorizing, somebody is good at skill development. So we can't say that if I am a person who is good at skill development and I'm not good at memorizing. So for me, that is the exam and that is not. So it depends upon person to person.
Purpose of
Like
purpose
you
of
said,
the
like, creates a pressurizing environment in children. So I think that from a very beginning, if children are trained from in an exam like they are. Sorry, you said that.
Can we please agree that the world right now is very, very competitive, right? So like imagine when we were giving class 10 boards, at that point of time it felt like everything is going to depend on this, the 10th boards, and same with 12th and same with when we give competitive exams, right? So we face a lot of pressure, a lot of stress, but at the same time, this like in future we are going to be in those situations where we'll be having a lot of stress, a lot of pressure. So I think exams are fair in that way. Ki if you're able to perform well in your class 10th, class 12th, and in your competitive exam under pressure, so it's going to reflect somewhere in the future.
But
So I
don't
think
you
But purpose of exam I think has been lost in the way. The purpose of exam was to evaluate. It was holistic development, but now it is it has turned into degradation and destruction.
I think we should come up with a way to evaluate holistic.
Yes,
we
I
we
think
should
that
come
should
up
be
with a holistic
supplemented.
evaluate.
I don't think they should be the only measure of success. I think it should be supplemented with other activities.
I agree.
Like that is an attitude-based exam. It evaluates your logical reasoning and it evaluates your communication skills and your reading skills. So I think that approach is better. If we
And
go
then
for
it
this.
eliminates people that are not up to, and then we of course we have all of these GDPI.
It is not multifaceted. It is like it is particular.
Extracurriculars are going to be activities a person is going to pursue. I think those should be supplemented in admission processes across colleges and corporates as well, because exams are not the only part of life.
But
rather
I
than
also think GDPI is also GDPI is only conducted after the CAT exam. If you are
rather than
But you are at
inculcating-
2.93
rather than
lakh of
inculcating this
I
conventional
just
methods of
request you to let me finish my thing,
Sorry.
then please come up with yours. So I was saying that GDPI is conducted after certain cutoff, and the cutoff is decided on only one day exam, and it just take your whole 1 year of preparation, and then 1 day, 2 hours of exam decides whether you are going to go for GDPI or not. Then your rest of the skills are tested. But what the majorly skill is tested is your memory based on your aptitude test.
This is a very narrow scope according to me, because some students, those who have not appeared for exams or have even dropouts, have excelled in life, have added many feathers to their cap. So examination is not the only multitude that will decide your future, but there are many others. But it is personally on your POV, on our POV, what we want to pursue, what we want in our lives.
One day
That
exam,
still
like,
doesn't mean that exams should be totally abolished because we all agree that they are necessary to select some.
Exactly.
Yes, for
I
the
totally
previous
agree.
year
The population.
Select a few people. There are so many people. We can't let everyone in. We need to
Exactly, rather than
Exactly, the population of India is so much. There has to be a way to eliminate people. So I think
rather
exams
than
in that
school and
way.
colleges
I think
inculcating traditional and conventional based exams, we should have a top-down approach while inculcating these live project-based conducting live project-based examinations so that these schools and education institutes can assess the ability to
But
I agree with you. I agree with you because it entails.
It is subjective, but I feel with a wide diverse group of people who are going to assess people, it is possible.
Examination
according
on
to-
one day, like suppose that if we talk about CAT exam, it is only one day exam. Suppose there is a student who is very like talented, but he is not healthy on that, is not like well on that day, or he met with some unfortunate incident, he is not able to cope up from that, or is not able to perform. So we can't judge that he is not a good
Which is
student.
very fair.
Which
Which
is
is very
very
fair.
nice.
Can you
Summarize-
summarize quickly? Summarize.
The initiative I would like to put forward for the same, as we all agree that exams are very necessary in our lives to test our skills or for the screening. But the initiative that I would like to put forward is, suppose there are, for example, if it would be a choice for everybody that you are more comfortable with the exams on the pen and paper exams, or you are more comfortable with the skill test exams, because these are all the basic necessities for a good manager, for a good businessman, on all the careers we need to pursue. So it would be, I guess, a choice if would be provided would be a good solution for the same.
Okay, conclude.